Getting it?
Yeah. I'm getting something.
Tell the people what you're doing.
Killing myself. A quarter turn at a time.
There's jack stands. You shouldn't die.
No. I'm freeing this bolt from its chains where it has been since 1978.
The Civic will run off of a remote gas tank if we put a fuel line, drop it in it, but it won't run off the
Gas tank.
actual gas tank. We can get gas to pump out of it when we turn the fuel pump on. It's a little bit rust colored, so
We're
we're
gonna
gonna
flush it.
drop the tank, hopefully clean it out, and see what happens. There's no rust on this Civic. It's totally rust free.
Here, give me the camera.
No, I'm looking at the hole.
Right here? This big one?
This I'm in the trunk with the door.
Oh, that.
No, don't worry about that hole up there.
The speed hole. Couldn't wait
Lighter.
for the drag strip.
What are you
Did you actually
doing?
see what I was doing?
What are you doing? What? I can see you turning something. I can't tell.
Oh my god.
Shouldn't be fighting it that hard, right?
It's just
Or you can't
supremely awkward, and then the wrench is long enough. If you flatten out the wrench enough or too much, it hits the
get- Yeah.
muffler hangy thingy.
It's going. Take it.
Uh-oh. Where is it?
It's already recorded.
Okay.
You can squeeze the trap.
Oh, that's me. I don't want it to be me. No. I want it to be this way. Death by 1,000 cuts. Or,
Show it?
yeah.
It doesn't show it. Let's hope
Here we go. Okay, yeah. Maybe you can see. Maybe not. I hate everything. No. No. I'm back. I made a lot of progress. Ow. Yeah.
we need to push the gas tank up.
No. Oh. Oh. Okay. You can take this.
Push up on the tank. Do you feel like it dropped at all? Oh, yeah.
See?
Will that help? Take pressure off the bolt?
I mean, something. Yeah. I did.
It's out. There we go. So those are the wires, right?
Yep.
Can you unplug them?
Oh, there's spade terminals onto the top of it.
Okay. Yeah, but you gotta get it out of that little hook.
Yep.
Get to get it. You want me to slide it towards you?
Oh
No,
god.
you're gonna tighten it. Zoom in on bald spots like putting up.
I don't have bald spots.
What? I said you want me to zoom in.
I don't have bald spots.
We can Photoshop them.
Okay. That would be hilarious. Bitch.
But I need another. I'm just wiggling it. You can replace that. There you go.
See, I wiggled.
Is that the same spade?
Yeah.
I just can't see it because of the
I
plastic.
think.
Just grab it. Grab the whole rubber.
Fuck you, guy.
Pull that bitch out. about that? That's the vent.
Yeah.
That's the filler.
And that's the business.
Yeah. Go,
Fuck are these?
you want to dump it right here? I'll get the tank. You want me to dump it? Yeah, you hold it. I'm gonna pour it out of this.
Yeah, 100%. Please be disgusting.
Oh.
Yeah, that's probably our problem.
Nah.
I wonder why it won't start. Or run.
Yeah, no, it's close.
Watch out. Okay.
Move that. Who the fuck? I never looked at. Oh yeah, there's a couple chunks.
Oh yeah, that was the first thing that came out. Peanut butter. Chunky peanut butter milkshake. No, fuck you, light. Ugh. What the hell? Oh my goodness. You know what's weird? Either I have COVID or it doesn't smell like gas.
Not a ton. It's not overwhelming. We've also been outside and gas.
No.
For an hour.
You want to put the jack stand back underneath of it?
Ah, you could.
There was a bug in there.
Something with me. Should we bust that drain plug?
Yeah. That was that 19?
Yeah. You can hold the handle.
The way you're standing? Yeah.
That'd be sick.
Oh my god. Jesus. It gets worse.
Yeah. I can hear it. I don't know what you do with it.
I'm not like, that's not all gas.
No, the rest. You have a flathead?
No.
Bust this off.
Let me get you. Oh, they're so cool. Oh my.
You can clean that, though.
Yeah.
That's what the GSR one looks like. GSXR ones look
Yeah.
like. You have a flat. Ooh,
Oh, cool.
need a flashlight. Anybody want to clean a gas tank? That's pretty hard, so that hasn't been wet in a while. I don't think this is gonna work. Oh. Shine it in the hand. There's some rust in there. So we rinsed out the gas tank. This is the gas we poured out. That is disgusting. So that should help. You want me to hook up the sending unit to see if it works?
Yeah.
Remember, it'll take a second when you turn the key on once I move it to up.
Okay.
So go watch the gauge.
Okay.
Do you have the key on?
Not yet.
Remember, just like filling it up, it takes a minute to register.
All right, keys on.
All right, I'm gonna flip it up.
Okay. Huh.
Key on?
Now it is. I'm so stupid.
Working?
Yeah. Shut the front door.
I think it was just stuck.
Or it only, well, who knows? That's awesome.
You going back down?
Yep. Wild. Wild. All right, cool. I'm turning off.
They're dauber.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Just a little.
Yeah. All right.
Sending unit works when it's not crusted in rust. But like I said, there's no rust on this. So,
Rust free.
rust free.
78. And with clean title. That's why we bought it.
Yep.
Four by 120 to 4 by 100.
You gonna drop it? Go slow. Go. It's like a rally car. Right rear torqued. You put 2 gallons of gas in it. Pump that hose clear. You know. What?
Just in case.
Fire extinguisher, I guess, because safety. But yeah, just got fresh gas. Pumped out the line up to the carburetor just to ensure that everything that came out was clear, crystal clear. That was the old shit that was in it. So we should be, if it doesn't start and stay running now, something else is wrong. Give it a couple gas pumps. Go. Go. So the throttle cable was jacked. I shortened it, but now it seems to rev high, so let's adjust it here. All right. Warm it up. See, headlights were what he asked for. A lot. A lot.
No third brake lights to worry about.
Hasn't done that in. No, weirdly enough, never had a problem with the e-brake. You can't use the emergency brake in the wagon because that doesn't come off. You got the run.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. It'll go to the show. Yeah. 100%.
Yeah.
When's that throttle cable bolt supposed to come?
Yeah, it's coming from Canada.
Why did you order it from Canada? You gotta give it gas.